Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Soap & Glory Pink Twice. Okay, I'm gonna open the tab already. It says it comes with a scrub of your life and the righteous butter. It comes like this with some instructions there. And then of course the back. It smells like roses. It actually smells like roses. Okay. I wanna, so you guys can. Okay. It smells really good. This is just instructions on how to pink twice. Rub a blob of the scrub of your life onto wet skin, especially rough areas. Rinse thoroughly. 2. Smooth a dollop of the righteous butter onto damp skin and massage lightly until it all sinks in. Now you're double dosed with our famous fruity floral original pink fragrance. It actually says that. Okay. It smells really good, guys. It smells like roses. Here they are. This is Scrub of Your Life. I'm gonna put it like this. And then this one is the Righteous Butter. Well, it says very dry skin formula. The Righteous Butter Body Moisturizer. Ooh, it actually glides right on and it's very smooth. I wasn't expecting that. It smells really good, like perfume mixed with roses, like this. In there. Okay. It is actually sliding really easy into the skin, and actually, I love the smell. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, so this is the Scrub of Your Life, the Ultimate Soapy Super Smoothing Body Buffer. It smells really nice. It smells like roses. This one smells more like roses than this one. I don't know, but it smells good. I'm gonna squeeze a little amount onto my. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has like little beads inside, little pink beads, and it's clear, and the beads are dissolving once I start rubbing it. Ooh, it actually feels really nice on the skin again. It feels very silky, very smooth, and this is supposed to be a scrub for the shower, you guys. Okay guys, that was the unboxing of Soap & Glory Pink Twice, the Scrub of Your Life and the Righteous Butter. It smells really good, and I actually like the sizes. They're very convenient to take with you on the shower and on the go. And that's the end now. Have a good one, you guys.